So once we've implemented the on-site solutions for a client, which is typically much more lucrative than the off-site solutions, for the reason that the tariffs on-site are higher than typically what you would receive in terms of a credit through wheeling, then we would move on to optimizing your remaining load in terms of what we can wheel or trade to you. At Energy Partners, we have a trading license and we can trade off-site generation to your remaining load at very attractive rates with very flexible contract terms. So when considering purchasing or implementing a solar or a BESS solution on site, it's very important that you take into account the operational risk of operating these assets afterwards. It's important, if you're going for an outright purchase solution, that you have a proper service level agreement with your O&M or operation and maintenance contractor that makes sure that the asset performs as per the original business case. The alternative is to go for a power purchase agreement where the supplier then takes the risk of operating the plant where you enjoy the savings.